on our way to get in the cabby now. We don't know what's all going to squeeze in the back, right?
Sure.
Okay.
No, we have to be considerate of our cabby.
Okay.
Where are you guys?
They get paid either way.
Rumors!
Right on the corner? Heather, up that street, we found a TD, but it was like crazy taped off with like police tape, and there was police cars, and they were taking pictures, but it didn't look like there was anything.
Oh,
I didn't have any Bassa. You've been smelling me all night. I smell like a vanilla spice, you bastard. If I told you to eat, my dad told me he was going to try and go to Bingo. Oh, that was so funny. At Bingo? Bingo! No. Okay, this is what happened. I was going to get a cab, but he came home. So he always yells at me and cancels the cab. So I swear to God, because every time I call the cab, he calls and he yells and cancels and drives me where I need to go. That cabs don't come and pick me up anymore. So that's why I had to call the cab.
There's picture flashes on the screen.
Yeah, it's like, do not pick up on this address, lying biatch. No, I would take a cab if he yells at me. Why are you going to waste your money on that? I'll fucking drive you. Anyways. Telling me that I told him, I gave him $20 gas money. I didn't even call a cab. I was going to take a bus. And he's like, I'll just drive you, because he didn't have money to get to church the next day, so I gave him $20 gas money. Then he was arguing with the guy in Petro about his Petro points and about, like, it took him $10 to pick out, or 10 minutes to pick out a bottle of fucking water.
Me and Angela already established somebody steals your debit card, and then next thing you know, they're driving a tinfoil car. And the license says Tipmaster. PMSTR. Tipmaster. Or Puppet Master.
Where are you going? Open sesame. We're at Rumors.
I'm already feeling scared.
Why are you feeling scared? And there's the Popo over there. Something else, Megan.
What do you want me to yell? I am
the song, Yaga.
Okay.
Smile and wave at the people. She's hiding her face. She's embarrassed. Megan, you shouldn't continue screaming. She was hiding her face. You were staring at her. Birdman! I love you. You're fucking hilarious. Birdman.